sound a story. A is the sound of letter E. Once upon a time, an elephant was walking through the forest with her pet hen and 10 eggs in the basket. They soon came across a tent where Emma and Eric had come with their family for the holidays. Eric saw a large elephant and immediately called his sister Emma and said, "Look, Emma, an elephant." Emma was excited to see such a large elephant, but as it was getting late, the elephant left. Eric and his sister noticed eggs in the basket and asked the hen, "May we please borrow some eggs? We are feeling quite hungry." Hen was kind enough to give her 10 eggs to them and left from there. The mother made an omelette using the eggs and enjoyed their holiday happily. Let's see a few words from the story having an "eh" sound. Elephant. Eric. Emma. Eggs. Ant. Tent. Hen. Forest. Happy learning!